Good morning to you all. In the previous session, we have seen what is meant by IoT and what are all the applications of IoT. In today's session, we will see the block diagram of IoT architecture, and some more applications. Coming to the block diagram of IoT, actually, the IoT consists of sensors, actuators, controller, processor, gateways, cloud server, and user devices. Now we will see each block in detail. Sensor and actuators. It is meant by sensor. Actually, a sensor is a device that senses the physical changes in its environment and produces an electrical or electronic signal. For example, we can take it as temperature sensor. What the temperature sensor will do means it will sense the temperature across its environment, and it will takes the mechanical energy and it will convert it into electrical energy. Simply we can say a sensor is a device that is nothing but a transducer where it will convert one form of energy into other form of energy. We have different types of sensors like humidity temperature sensor, temperature sensor, gas sensor, LDR, like that. So many are there. In future sessions, we will see in detail about our sensors. Next, coming to an actuator. It is a device where it will makes the physical changes when it receives an input signal from the sensor. Actually, the sensor output will be an input to the actuator. By taking that particular input, the actuator will performs the action related to the sensor. So I can say that the input will be applied to the sensor which we need, then we can expect the output from the actuator. So sensors and actuators plays an important role in our IoT. So we need our sensors and actuators. The next block is controller. Yes, it plays a very important role as it controls all the sensors and actuators which we are connecting in our IoT applications. In our IoT applications, we will be using, depending upon our application, many sensors and actuators. All these will be controlled by our controller. It will help to convert analog signal to digital and as well as digital to analog conversion depending upon our applications. The next one is processor. It will play a very important role where it will collect all the data from our sensors, and then mainly it will process the data in such a way that which we need actually. It will remove all the unwanted data and it will use only the required data. Then next, the gateway is responsible for transmitting data of an IoT system through the internet. So in the name itself, we are saying it as a gateway, so it will shows the path to transmit our information. So it transmits our data. We will be using a standard protocols. For example, like MQTT, XMPP for our data transmissions. We can use the devices like modem, Wi-Fi, and as well as GSM. Coming to our cloud server, it is the space for sorting our data. It will store all our data which we are processing or which we need to transmit by using our IoT. It will store all the data of an IoT system and it will serve the users when they request it. This will help to control our devices over the internet. Here, internet will play an important role as ours is an Internet of Things. They serve the data with users located anywhere in the world. Actually, IoT works with the same principle as other digital control systems like SCADA, PLC, etc. Just difference is the IoT works through the internet. Then here user device is the device where the data is used to observe the status and control the devices of the IoT system. For example, if there is a production plant implemented with IoT, then the manager of the plant can observe the production status from anywhere in the world on his smartphone or computer through the analytics application. So IoT will plays very important role. It will gives the facility to control devices from anywhere. As we observed in the previous session, the example is smart home. Then you can turn off lights, fans from anywhere using your smartphone. Suppose you have an embedded IoT system in your home, you can easily see the temperature of your room and can turn off the air conditioner with your smartphone from anywhere. So that's why here IoT is a very important role. Suppose, for example, you are in office. In a short period of time, you will be reaching your home. Then you like the environment should be cool. So while you are in car itself, you can switch off your AC of your home by using your user device. So here the thing is nothing but your AC and it is communicating the information, and by using your user device you can switch on or switch off your AC. In a similar way, you can connect the other objects and you can perform these actions. Here IoT makes sense, and all these are all the blocks of our IoT. Thank you for listening. In the next session we will see what is meant by what is the architecture of our IoT and some more applications. Thank you.